Okay, so moving from solving equations to linear functions, writing equations of lines given certain information. Okay, just a couple quick reminders. The slope-intercept form of the line is y equals mx plus b. And that's going to be our primary form that we're going to use for this activity. Another formula that you might need to remember is that slope, which is our m, is equal to the difference in the y values divided by the difference of the x values. Okay. And you might use the point slope form. It's an option. May or may not want to use it. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where x1 and y1 are the coordinates of a point and m is the slope. Okay, so those are some formulas you might need. Now, the first question up is slope is negative 2/3 and y-intercept is negative 1. If we're using the point slope, slope-intercept form of the line, if y equals mx plus b, m in this case is negative 2/3 because m is slope. B is our y-intercept, so b is going to be negative 1. So that's pretty easy. Y equals negative 2/3 x minus 1. Okay. A horizontal line through the coordinate 5, negative 1. Okay. So something you may need to refresh on is which slope is doing what thing. Okay, and here at Lakeview High School, right, we have our LV. A vertical line has an undefined slope. A horizontal line has a 0 slope. A line that is descending has a negative slope, and a line that's ascending or going up has a positive slope. Okay, so a horizontal line has a 0 slope, so m equals 0, and then you need to know, the y-intercept, right, to use the slope-intercept form of the line. Well, the thing is, if we start off y equals mx, which is 0, plus b, well, b is going to be where it crosses the y-axis, but the deal is, with the horizontal line, all the y's are going to be negative 1. So we simply really write y equals negative 1 as our answer. Okay. All right, let's move it along. And we have the next question, which was give the equation when you have 2 points. All right. Absolute easiest way would be to go to your calculators and utilize the stat edit feature. However, I don't have a working calculator on me, so I'm going to show you how to do it when you don't have a calculator. Okay, you need to know the slope, so you start off, and either set can be 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. I'm, pretty straightforward. I just go in order. This is set 1, this is set 2. So I would write negative 1 minus negative 3, 7 minus 5. So m equals 2 over 2, or simply 1. Okay. Then I would use the point slope form of the line to come up with the final equation. Okay, there are other ways to do it. One of the popular ways is to substitute into the slope-intercept form and solve for b. That works too. I'm old school. I like to go this way. So pick either point. I'm going to do the first one because it's the one I labeled y1, just to keep it the same. M was 1, and then x1 was 5. So now it's just about simplifying, distributing, and isolating the y. And ta-da! Okay, and then parallel to the line. Okay, well, what you have to remember is if lines are parallel, they have the same slope. So that might be a little note you want to put out to the side. Parallel means same slope. And just in case it comes up on your worksheet, hint, hint, or your test, hint, hint, perpendicular is opposite reciprocal slope. Okay, so if it has the same, what we're saying here is parallel to this line, has the same slope as this line, and it goes through the point 6, -1. Right? So the easiest way to find slope is probably to just solve this equation for y. So -4y equals -3x plus 7. Divide everything by the -4. So y equals 3/4 x plus -7/4, or simply minus. Okay, but I don't care because this is the number I was after. So my slope is 3/4. The point is 6, -1. So I go to my point slope form. Y minus -1 equals 3/4 times x minus 6. So y plus 1 equals 3/4 x minus 18/4. And yes, I know that will reduce, but I'm going to wait because I've still got to subtract this 1. Okay, so y equals 3/4 x minus 22/4, or better, 11/2. Okay, we're going to stop right there and we'll pick up the rest of the notes on the next video.